Hello, my name is Deep. Have you heard about the term metaverse? In the futurism and science fiction, metaverse is a hypothetical iteration of using internet as a single or universal virtual worlds by using virtual reality and augmented reality as handsets. Accessing point two, metaverse.
Wait, don't rush. Most of the guys out there don't understand what the technical concepts are. Oh, you're focusing on me. Hi, I'm Ananya, a member of FOT, the Technology Club at Nmims Hyderabad. So before getting deep into the things, let us have an introduction with the team. What we are and what are the things that we do. So there's a team waiting for you to have an introduction.
So hi guys, this is Riju Srivastava and I'm heading the tech club of this college named FOT. So first thing that comes into your mind is what is the requirement of a tech club in an MBA college. So as we all know that today's world, today's industry requires a lot of people who are having the knack of technology also. So by doing MBA you are more with your managerial skills. But this tech club will help you to gain technical skills also. So this will make you an efficient techno manager. So the aim of this club, like other club, is not to only just host events, but to provide and circulate information, which will make you more adaptable and more knowledgeable about the relevant technologies which is used in today's industries. So also we will do through our Insta pages, and we are also planning to come with a newsletter which will again update you on latest technologies, upcoming technologies, and industry relevant technologies. So if you want to be an efficient techno manager, keep following our Insta page and look forward to our newsletter. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to introduce the vision of our club, where business meets the technology, which in accordance the technological aspects and the latest trends on the technology are being discussed. So our club promotes and shares information about the latest technologies which are used in different organizations and are getting benefit from that. This information is shared through our Insta pages, through our events, and also we are going to launch a weekly letter called Tech Newsletter, which will be consisting of the weekly updates of the recent technologies and the information provided.